According to archaeologists, the biblical cities of Sodom and Gomorrah were obliterated by a colossal mid-air asteroid explosion 3,700 years ago, estimated to be 500 times more powerful than the devastating impact of Hiroshima. Greetings and salutations to everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing the fascinating findings of archaeologists regarding the biblical cities of Sodom and Gomorrah. According to their research, these cities were devastated by an enormous asteroid explosion approximately 3,700 years ago, an explosion that was a staggering 500 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. The impact of this explosion would have extended across a circular area spanning 25 kilometers, obliterating any nearby settlements in its path. Scientists have identified minerals that they believe were formed as a result of this cataclysmic event, and carbon dating confirms that it occurred around the same time period. The physical evidence discovered at Tall El Hammam and surrounding sites clearly demonstrates the aftermath of an incredibly destructive event, characterized by both concussive and thermal effects, aligning with the descriptions found in the book of Genesis, chapter 19. Without further delay, let us delve into our discussion. The destruction caused by the biblical cities, referred to as brimstone and fire, aligns with evidence of an asteroid explosion approximately 3,700 years in the past. The examination of archaeological sites located north of the Dead Sea has uncovered evidence suggesting that the destruction caused by the biblical cities brimstone and fire aligns with the aftermath of an asteroid explosion. The biblical account tells us that God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah due to the sinful lifestyles adopted by the inhabitants of these cities. According to the book of Genesis, Sodom and Gomorrah were subjected to a downpour of brimstone and fire from the heavens, as stated by the Lord. The cities, their surrounding regions, the inhabitants, and all the earthly creations were annihilated by his wrath. In a surprising revelation, researchers claim to have unearthed the precise locations of the cities through extensive archaeological excavations, providing a scientific rationale for their demise. The archaeologists have determined that the cities were positioned on the northeastern periphery of the Dead Sea, now referred to as Middle Gore. Minerals believed to be the result of a colossal 10-megaton asteroid explosion have been unearthed by scientists, with carbon dating suggesting that this catastrophic event took place approximately 3,700 years ago. To convert a kiloton into a megaton, one needs 1,000 kilotons, and when considering the devastation caused in Hiroshima, it is estimated to have ranged between 15 and 20 kilotons. According to archaeologist Philip Sylvia from Trinity Southwest University, the impact of the explosion would have resulted in a wide circular plain spanning 25 km, obliterating any settlements in close proximity. In their report on the Tall El Hammam excavation project, it was revealed that this site, which initially emerged during the 4th millennium BCE, flourished as an agricultural community for a minimum of 1,000 years. The investigation into the phenomenon that led to the downfall of civilization in the fertile Jordanian region, preventing any attempts at reoccupation for centuries, is now being revealed by a team of researchers specializing in impact studies from 7 different universities. It is truly intriguing that the highly fertile land that had sustained thriving civilizations for a remarkable span of 3,000 years would suddenly become uninhabitable and remain so for such an extended duration, prompting the need for thorough examination. The evidence gathered from Tall El Hammam and its surrounding areas presents clear indications of a severely devastating concussive and thermal incident, aligning with the description provided in Genesis 19. The collection of soil and ash samples from Tall El Hammam reveals clear signs of topsoil erosion and subsoil pollution caused by the presence of Dead Sea salts. These factors would have rendered the land unsuitable for crop cultivation for numerous centuries after the incident occurred. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.